Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. What are we gonna do with this video today? Let's see. What I wanted to do is I went online. I went shopping for another tablet. I like to balance my tablets. I got this one right here, an Apple tablet, and I also like the Android tablets. I like to balance it because I like both worlds. And I saw this one tablet that caught my attention. Got it for a pretty good price online. It's an Android 15. It's got 18 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of ROM. So I had to explore it. I was kind of intrigued. So let's get a little more details here. Let's see if we can take a look. Let me just move down here a bit. And here we go. Like I said, it's got 128 gigabytes of storage. It's a 10-inch screen. 1280 by 800 pixels. Again, Android 15. The thing that caught my attention was the RAM. The RAM here, it says that it has 18 gigabytes of RAM, but if you look in the parentheses, it says 6 gigabytes plus 12 gigabytes achieved through expansion technology. This is the box itself. Of course, you're going to get the Android 15 tablet. You can see it right there. You get a Bluetooth keyboard. You're going to get the wireless mouse. You're going to get a protective case. You can kind of see it there. You're going to get a stylus, and you get a USB-C data cable. But, I don't think it shows here on the picture, but that's okay. We're going to open the box and see what's inside. So let's get to it. You can see right here the box is, got a shrink wrap on it. That's nice. I like that. Nothing shaking around inside. That's nice, right? So let's see if we can open this up. Let's cut this open. There we go. That should be enough just to get the plastic wrap off. There you go. So let's see what we have here. Here's the box. We'll just set that aside over here. All right. You've got your charging cable right there. We'll put that right there. You've got the tablet right here. Looks nice, right? It's got some weight to it. We'll take this out. Let's take a look at it. This is the cover on it. There you go. It's kind of got a little cover on it for you to peel off before you get started using it. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. Got your Bluetooth keyboard. There you go. You can take a look at it. We'll slide this off. Put that over there. So there you go. You can see the keyboard. We'll set that aside right here. You guys can't really see it, but we'll show you in a minute. Little stylus. Got your Bluetooth mouse. Your quick guide, and the user manual. And this is what comes in the box. Okay, time to take a look at this device. Okay, going from left to right. If you look really closely, you see a little pinhole. That tells me, the manual says that's reset reboot. Then next to that, you have the power on off. Then you have the volume control. Next, you have the, on the other side, over here, you've got the memory card slot, your USB-C port, and you see the other pinhole? That's a microphone. Here you've got your rear-facing 8-megapixel camera. On this side, you've got your speakers. 2-megapixel front-facing camera. I don't know if it's me, but under the light, it does look like the touchscreen can be scratched. Alright, the mouse itself feels very plastic. You can probably hear it. Requires batteries, not a rechargeable mouse. Here's a look at the keyboard. On the upper right, there's your controls. Flip the power switch, you can see the blue light. Connectivity is also there, and here's your USB-C port. Yes, this is a rechargeable keyboard. A closer look at the enclosed cable. And a closer look at the stylus. You can see there, you could probably stick a little cord there so you don't lose it. The rubber tip. All right, curiosity got the best of me. I wanted to take a look at the memory. So here you can see, yeah, it's referencing the 6 gigabytes and the 12 gigabytes of memory. That was something I mentioned I was interested in. Here's storage. Yep, using 16 gigs of the 128. I'm running here, you can see down here, I'm running Android 15. Nice. And let's go back up north, and again, you got the 128 gigabytes total. I deliberately unpaired the mouse just to show you how to pair the mouse through the Bluetooth settings. You can see I turn the mouse on. It's flashing green. What I'll do now is set the mouse down, and over here I'm going to tap pair a new device. It sees the Bluetooth mouse. I'm going to hit pair. And there you go. And you can see I'm moving the mouse around on the screen. Good to go. Now to just give it a quick try out. Might as well use this YouTube channel, right? We're here anyway. Trying out the stylus. You know, it's there, but I think I can navigate better with my finger. I just seem to do better with it. Next, I want to flip it to portrait, just see how quickly it adjusts. There it goes. And again, using my finger to navigate. Yeah, there you go, north and south. Then I'll flip it back to landscape, just to get a feel of how quickly it adjusts. There you go. All right, I'm going to try out a little navigating with the keyboard and mouse. So first you can see here I'm using the, I'm wiggling the mouse pointer around. Works good. Now I'm scrolling north-south, moving the screen up and down. Now here I'm going to drag the screen up and down by using the left mouse button. And back to scrolling with the wheel. And now I'm going to navigate north-south by using the keyboard. So both mouse and keyboard are connected and all is good. We've explored this tablet kit. I call it a kit because, well, you know, I bought the tablet and it came with the accessories, so that kind of makes it a kit in my view. That being said, just touching base on what came in the kit, of course, tablet and this tablet case. The tablet case is a great accessory to have for any tablet, protects it. Comes with the Bluetooth keyboard. Comes with a Bluetooth mouse, but remember this mouse, batteries are not included. It's not a rechargeable mouse. Comes with the cable. Comes with a stylus. And it comes with some documentation. Something I'd like to add is I bought this kit for less than $100. So anytime you get a kit like this for under $100, you're going to take a hit on the build quality. But I played with this for a little bit, and it works, and I'm happy with it. So this might be a tablet kit for someone that is thinking about getting their first tablet. They might be on a budget. The accessories are good because it'll get you started. Let me know your thoughts. Be sure to put them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and the videos on this channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button below. You're helping this channel grow, and likes are always good. And that being said, I want to thank you for watching and have a good day.